Today we are looking at a Crippen grain cleaner. It's going to be a quick video today. It's extremely cold. This is a 388 that has three 88-inch screens. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely restored by us here at Commodity Traders International. Pause the video here for pertinent data. Like I said, this unit has been completely restored. Everything has been gone through nose to tail. This unit is currently set up for 480 volt three-phase operation. The unit could be switched to single-phase operation or 230 volt operation at the expense of the buyer. This is a very good grain cleaner. We're not going to run it today due to the polar vortex, but we wanted to get this video out on the web and get this puppy listed. This is a very good grain cleaner, ready to go to work, presented by us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.